So here we have this IMB ZBK privacy screen protector. Now these came in a pack of 4, and as you can see, I already used one. Also, I've been using it for about a month now and it's been working great. It came with this super awesome little tool to help line up your screen. Basically just snap it on like this and then the screen protector perfectly fits inside and is evenly lined up on all the edges. Now the main feature of this is of course privacy protection, and I've got to say it's been working pretty well. I can see it just fine when I'm looking straight at it, but someone to the side of me is just going to see a black screen. A couple things you should know though is if you have your brightness turned all the way up, the screen will still be slightly visible. So people are still going to be able to see just a little bit of what's on your screen, but probably not enough to really make out what you're doing. Anyway, true story, I've actually had a few people ask me why I'm using my phone when it's turned off. And obviously it doesn't turn black in the up and down position because that just wouldn't work. Anyway, the pack also came with these camera protectors and they've been working pretty well. I'm still able to use my camera just fine and don't even notice they're there. It's easy to wipe off because it makes the whole thing flat and is also supposed to be smudge resistant, but if you touch it, you're probably going to leave a fingerprint. Now, the only problem I have with these screen protectors is the hole up here. It is actually a bit annoying and quite unnecessary because it just collects dust and it should have just been covered up like the rest of the phone. Other than that though, this screen protector has been great. I haven't noticed any scratches yet and there hasn't been any bubbling around the edges. So if you want to put a privacy screen protector on your phone, then I think these are great value for decent screen protectors.